The iconic dive bomber of World War II. The Douglas -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless holds a prominent place in aviation history as one of the most effective and celebrated dive bombers of World War II. Renowned for its pivotal role in several key battles in the Pacific theater, particularly the Battle of Midway, the -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless showcased remarkable design, performance, and resilience that contributed significantly to the Allied victory. This comprehensive report delves into the intricate details of this legendary aircraft, covering its design, production history, technical specifications, and operational legacy. 1. Designed and built by Douglas Aircraft Company. The Douglas -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless was designed and manufactured by the Douglas Aircraft Company, an American aerospace manufacturer founded in 1921 by Donald Wills Douglas Sr. The company was headquartered in Santa Monica, California, and was renowned for producing military and civilian aircraft that played crucial roles in aviation history. The chief designer behind the SBD series was Ed Heinemann, a highly respected aeronautical engineer known for his innovative designs and contributions to military aviation. Heinemann and his team focused on creating a robust and efficient dive bomber that could meet the rigorous demands of naval warfare. Their efforts resulted in the development of the SBD Dauntless series, with the -3 Solomon Islands variant being one of the most significant models. 2. Production timeline, 1941 to 1944. The production of the -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless began in 1941 and continued until 1944. The -3 Solomon Islands was the third variant in the Dauntless series, following the -1 Solomon Islands and -2 Solomon Islands models. During its production run, a total of 584 units of the -3 Solomon Islands were manufactured. The -3 Solomon Islands featured several improvements over its predecessors, including better armor protection, increased fuel capacity, self-sealing fuel tanks, and upgraded armaments. These enhancements made it more resilient and effective in combat situations, particularly in the harsh conditions of the Pacific theater. The production of the SBD series, including the -3 Solomon Islands was a massive undertaking that played a significant role in bolstering the United States Navy's capabilities during World War II. The aircraft's reliability and effectiveness cemented its place as a staple in naval aviation during the early to mid-1940s. 3. First flight, March 1, 1940. The first flight of the Douglas -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless occurred on March 1, 1940. This maiden flight was a critical milestone that demonstrated the aircraft's capabilities and readiness for mass production and deployment. The successful test flight showcased the SBD-3's impressive dive-bombing precision, stability, and durability. These attributes made it an ideal choice for the United States Navy and Marine Corps, leading to its widespread adoption and deployment across various theaters of war during World War II. 4. Sole purpose, carrier-based dive bomber. The Douglas -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless was originally designed as a carrier-based dive bomber intended to provide precise and effective bombing capabilities against enemy ships and ground targets. Its primary role was to deliver bombs accurately from steep dives, a tactic that increased bombing accuracy and minimized exposure to enemy anti-aircraft fire. The design focused on precision bombing. The -3 Solomon Islands was equipped with a robust airframe and dive brakes that allowed pilots to perform steep, controlled dives toward targets, releasing bombs at low altitudes for maximum accuracy. Carrier operations. With a rugged structure and folding wings, the aircraft was optimized for operations from aircraft carriers, enabling rapid deployment and retrieval in naval engagements. Reconnaissance. The -3 Solomon Islands also served in a secondary role as a reconnaissance aircraft, equipped with cameras and other equipment to gather intelligence on enemy positions and movements. The combination of these roles made the -3 Solomon Islands a versatile and invaluable asset in the U.S. military's aerial arsenal during World War II. 5. Country of origin, United States of America. The Douglas -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless originated from the United States of America. It was primarily based and operated within the U.S. Navy and the U.S. Marine Corps. The aircraft played a crucial role in the Pacific theater, where the U.S. forces were engaged in intense naval and air battles against the Imperial Japanese Navy. The -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless became a symbol of American air power and resilience, especially noted for its significant contributions in key battles such as Battle of Coral Sea, May 1942 Battle of Midway, June 1942 Guadalcanal Campaign, August 1942, February 1943. In these battles, the -3 Solomon Islands dollars proved its effectiveness by sinking numerous enemy ships, including several aircraft carriers, thereby shifting the balance of power in favor of the Allies. 6. Global production and usage. The production of the -3 Solomon Islands dollars Dauntless was primarily conducted in the United States, specifically at the Douglas Aircraft Company's facilities in El Segundo, California, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. There were no production runs in other countries, but the aircraft was supplied to and operated by other Allied nations through programs such as the Lend-Lease Act. Notably, the Royal New Zealand Air Force, RNZF, operated a number of SBD Dauntless aircraft provided by the United States. These aircraft were used in various combat operations in the Pacific, supporting Allied efforts against Japanese forces. Additionally, the Free French Air Force also received and operated the SBD Dauntless during the later stages of the war, utilizing them primarily for ground attack missions in support of liberation efforts in Europe and North Africa. 7. Technical specifications. The Douglas -3 Solomon Islands dollars Dauntless was renowned for its robust construction and reliable performance. Below are detailed technical specifications that highlight its capabilities. Engine type, Ryder 1820-52 Cyclone. Configuration, 9-cylinder, air-cooled, radial piston engine. Horsepower, 1000 horsepower, 746 kilowatts, at takeoff. Performance. Maximum speed, 255 miles per hour, 410 kilometers per hour, at 14,000 feet, 4,267 meters. Cruise speed, 185 miles per hour, 298 kilometers per hour. Range, 1,115 miles, 1,795 kilometers, with normal load. Service ceiling, 25,530 feet, 7,780 meters. Rate of climb, 1,700 feet per minute, 8.6 meters per second. Dimensions. Wingspan, 41 feet 6 in, 12.65 meters. Length, 33 feet 1 in, 10.08 meters. Height, 13 feet 7 in, 4.14 meters. Wing area, 325 square feet, 30.19 square meters. Weight. Empty weight, 6,404 pounds, 2,904 kilograms. Loaded weight, 9,359 pounds, 4,244 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight, 10,700 pounds, 4,853 kilograms. Armament. Guns. 2 times 0.50 in, 12.7 millimeters, M2 Browning machine guns mounted in the engine cowling. 2 times 0.30 in, 7.62 millimeters, and /M2 machine guns in the rear cockpit for defense. Bombs. 1 times 1,000 pounds, 454 kilograms, bomb carried under the fuselage. 2 times 100 pounds, 45 kilograms, bombs carried under the wings. Notable features. Dive brakes, perforated split flaps that allowed for controlled, steep dives during bombing runs, improving accuracy and reducing the risk of overspeeding. Self-sealing fuel tanks, reduce the risk of fire if the aircraft was hit by enemy fire. Armor protection, enhanced pilot and critical system protection against ground and air fire. Navigation and communication systems, equipped with advanced, for the time, radios and navigation aids that improved mission effectiveness and coordination. Operational legacy. The Douglas -3 Solomon Islands dollars Dauntless earned its reputation as a formidable dive bomber through its significant contributions to key naval battles during World War II. Its most notable achievement was during the Battle of Midway, where -3 Solomon Islands dollars pilots successfully sank 4 Japanese aircraft carriers, turning the tide of the war in the Pacific. The aircraft's durability, precision bombing capability, and ease of maintenance made it a favorite among pilots and crew alike. Even as newer aircraft models were introduced, many pilots preferred the Dauntless for its reliability and performance under fire. The -3 Solomon Islands dollars Dauntless remains a celebrated symbol of aerial prowess and bravery. Several restored units are displayed in museums and participate in airshows, serving as a reminder of the aircraft's critical role in securing Allied victory during World War II. Conclusion. The Douglas -3 Solomon Islands dollars Dauntless stands as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the engineers and pilots who contributed to its success. Designed and built by the Douglas Aircraft Company, this dive bomber played a pivotal role in some of the most significant battles of World War II. Its impressive technical specifications and operational effectiveness underscore its status as one of the most iconic aircraft of its era. Through this comprehensive overview, we honor the legacy of the -3 Solomon Islands Dauntless and its invaluable contribution to aviation history in the Allied victory in World War II.